Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. This is Code Wave. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are going to build a live streaming app using ZEGOCLOUD. We are going to build a live streaming app just like this. Okay, so here you just have to click on join, and this is the link that you can share for people to join as a co-host or join as an audience, right? Just click on join. Okay, so this is it. I think I'm probably zoomed in or something like. So this is the app that we're going to build. You can see we have all the functionalities to toggle the audio and video, right? You can also change the layout to auto grade and sidebar, right? And you also have the information where you can get the links. You also have the participants or the room members, as well as you can also send chats here, right? Okay, and the functionality that we're going to look at is the go live, where you can go live, right? So now we are live, and you can also stop the live streaming, right? Great. And you're probably wondering how we're going to build all of this. We're going to use ZEGOCLOUD. And what is ZEGOCLOUD? So ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider which helps developer to build communication apps with easy. So when you come to ZEGOCLOUD.com, the link will be in the description, right? This is ZEGOCLOUD, and they provide services like video calls, SDKs, voice calls, streaming, in-app chat, recordings, and many things, right? So that's ZEGOCLOUD, and ZEGOCLOUD helps you to build app with very ease. So they have their services, right? Okay, so the services as it's been listed here. Okay, so all you have to do is to just click on get started or start building, right? And once you click on start building, you come here, provide your name, your country, and your email. Then you need to verify your email, put a password, make sure you accept the policies before you be able to. And they support platforms like iOS, Android, web, and flutter and React Native and many things, right? And ZEGOCLOUD gives you 10,000 free minute to try it, right? 10,000 free minutes to try it. So all you have to do is just to click on the links below and try this. So just register everything. Okay, so once you are in and have provided all the information needed, you can just click on create a new project, right? And today we are going to do a live streaming. So just click on live streaming, go down and click on next. Okay, provide the name for your app. So I will say YouTube, and just click on start with UI kit. Okay, great. Okay, now give it some minutes and your app will be created. Okay, so then click on build, then you select web. So once you select web, just click leave all these default settings and just click on save and start. Now the app will be created here, and this is the kind of interface you go. We get a room ID, join, all these things are pre-built components, right? So let's go to the the integration. Okay, so note your app ID and the server secrets. That's what we'll be using. Okay, great. Click on go back to console, and now we are at console, and this is our app. Okay, so that's ZEGOCLOUD. Let's create our app. So just open any folder in a Visual Studio, and we are going to use Vite. We are going to use Vite to create an app. So we say npm create Vite at latest. Okay, I'll say video live video. Okay, and I'll select React JavaScript, and that's all. Then I'll just move into video. Okay, and now I need to run npm install to install all the packages. We have all of these things, right? Okay, so I believe you are familiar with React, so there is no need to go through all of these things. Okay, so we'll go into the app here, and as I told you, you need to keep your app ID. So I'll just put my app ID here. Put the app ID that you had when you created the project, and also the server secret. Okay, also put it here. Okay, great. So I will remove all of this and just put a div. So let's go to the documentation. Okay, so if you select your app, you go to the documentation, right? You see go to documentation there. So just click on this. All of these links will be in the description. So just click on this and install the package. Okay, so we install the UI kit pre-built. Okay, and what do we have to do again? Okay, so this has it. So we have to import this. So just copy this, bring it here. Okay, bring it here. And now this will help us generate a random random ID, room ID, right? Okay, because we'll be connected to particular rooms, so this will help us generate random ID. As you can see, the name random ID. Okay, then let's also get this, place it also here. Okay, so this also help us to get the URL parameters, right? Okay, and now we can now come inside here. Okay, I'll just copy all of this, then we go over it. Okay, maybe I can copy all of this. Okay, so now let's go over them. Okay, so we have okay, so this will help us generate the random ID. Okay, this also help us to get the URL params. Okay, and inside here, inside our app here, okay, so this will help us, we get the room ID. So if we do not have a room ID, right, if we have a room ID from the parameter, we get it. If we don't, we generate a new, right, passing the number, the length. If you remember, it takes length of 5, so we pass 5 to it. And we also want to get the row, right, whether it's the host or just a co-host or somebody joining the meeting. Okay, so this will help us do that. And here, okay, here will also help us get the link, right, the link that we can share for people to join. Okay, great. So this all, it's in the documentation here, right? Okay, that's where they're all coming from. Okay, now we generate tokens. Okay, so to generate tokens, now we put the app ID. So I'll just call my app ID that I created up there, and I also put my server secret also here. So make sure you provide your app ID and your server secret. Okay, then we can even remove this and just pass it here, and also pass this one here. Then we can remove this. Okay, so this will help us generate the token, right? And we are using the test, we are testing. So we generate token, UI token, right, using the app ID, the server secret, the room, and the random room ID that was created, right? Okay, now if we come here, we then start the call, right? So this will help us create an instance passing all the information that we have to read. Okay, the information that we have generated up here, we pass it to it. Now we start the call. Great. And if you can see, you know, the HTML that we have here is just one div where we pass in a ref of what we created up here. All right. Great. We're passing a ref of what we've created up here. And now we've just given a style of width 100 and height also of 100. Okay. So I think we can go on and start the app by running npm run dev. Okay, so now it's running here. So this is our app. So one thing I did, I just provided some classes. So I just set this to this and provide this of background, this and that. Okay, great. And also one thing is that when you set in your app ID, make sure it is not a string. It must be a number. Don't put it in any quotation. It's a number, so don't make it as a string. Okay, so this is the app, right? Okay, so what you have to do, there's a room. You just have to click on this. You can copy the links, right, and share. Once you click on this, you can join the meeting. Now this is the meeting. Okay, I think it could have taken the entire this thing. Great. So now this is it, right? There are menus to toggle, right, on and off. Great. You know, there are options here to change the layout to grid to whatever you want, or you leave it to auto. You know, you can also to close it. There's information here about it where you can get the links that you can share, right? Okay, there's also here where you can see the members we have. So it's only me, right? You can see the members here. You know, you can also see the members here, and there's also messages here where you can send messages to the platform. Okay, and now the live here, you can click on go live, and 1 2 3, and now you are live, right? So is that not amazing, right? And you're probably wondering that how many codes will you write? We just use ZEGOCLOUD, right? Okay, so just go to the links below, right, and try ZEGOCLOUD. It's very easy to integrate it into your app. So just go into ZEGOCLOUD and try it. And you know, they have the documentations and everything where you can try and make it. And they also give you they give you 10,000 free minutes to try. So just go and try. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.